how to move Windows 10 taskbar to the top of your monitor. In this video, we are going to show you how we can do it easily, so let's start. For that, you may open up a desktop, and right now you can see my taskbar is in the bottom of the screen. So if you want to make it at top, right click on it, go over to taskbar settings, this one right here, open it up. Once you open up your taskbar settings, you should be finding this. Now from here, first thing is if you have locked your taskbar, just go ahead and turn it off so that we can move our taskbar. After that, scroll down and we have this taskbar location on screen option. All you gotta do is simply drop this option down and you can select the option called top. Click on it. Once you click on it, you should be finding your taskbar at the top of the screen like this, just as you wished, and that's it. That is how you basically make your taskbar to the top of the screen. Otherwise, you can also select left, right, or bottom. So for that, again, head over to taskbar settings and we have this taskbar location on screen option on. You can just go ahead and select the desired location of your taskbar. And that's it. So that is it for now. You may follow this method in order to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.